Okay, so he's gonna clean up this old server. It is an absolute mess. We're gonna use pressurized air. I think that's probably the best way to do it. But one has to be very careful when doing it, so you don't. You can easily kill the fans with this high-powered jet. So it's better to do it like this, I think. Oh man, this is dirty. This might be the dirtiest computer I have ever seen. I'm sure there's worse cases, but personally it's the worst one. Ooh. Several years of grime and no air filters back in the day. I just remember that there's a fan in the power supply as well. I might have sped it up a bit now. Oh well. We'll notice if it survives. Yeah. At least it's a lot better now than before. I'm gonna do it in detail now so we get it really, really clean. But this could be a cool little retro project, this old machine. Throw in a Voodoo 2 or something. I think it's a Pentium 3 500 or something like that inside this machine. So it's like Windows 98 era, I think. Alright. See ya.